Hi guys, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a landing page using Clickfunnels. Now Clickfunnels is a sales funnel builder. It's not only a landing page creator, it's also a sales funnel builder. You can create fully developed sales funnels which unlike other softwares that allow you to build landing pages, this allows you to build out fully developed sales funnels from start to finish with many different templates that you can use. If you have no coding skills or design flair of your own, ClickFunnels comes ready-made with loads of different professional-looking templates that will look great for your business. If you're new to the channel, my name is Rafe Dowley, and this channel is all about affiliate marketing, entrepreneurship, and making money online. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment down below if there's something that you'd like to see me do in the future. So the first step of building a landing page inside ClickFunnels is to come to your ClickFunnels dashboard, which we're on here now. Okay, once you log in, just go up to ClickFunnels and click funnels here. Okay, so once you've done that, you'll be inside your ClickFunnels dashboard where you can see all the different funnels that you've created previously. But if you want to create a new one from scratch, just go up here to the top right, okay, and click build a new funnel. So once you've done that, it'll take you to here. Okay, so it'll give us some different options. All right, so first of all, you want to choose what goal. Okay, so it could be collecting emails. So if you're looking to build out your list using a lead magnet funnel or something like that, then this is what you'd be going for 90% of the time, what you will be doing. If you have your own product, okay, and you want to sell it and use a funnel to do that, then you'd be choosing something here. Okay, and if you were hosting a webinar, some form of training, okay, on the front end of an offer, then you would go for like a hosting a webinar kind of funnel. Okay, so this kind of tells ClickFunnels what is your goal and what type of funnel they should be making for you. Okay, so but for this, we're just going to collect emails. Also, you can create a custom funnel down here if you have some specific ideas that you want to do for your funnel, or you can also go onto the funnel marketplace that has both free and paid templates for you to use. So completely done for you sales funnels that you can just take once you've signed up for ClickFunnels. For this video, I'm just going to go collect emails. And first thing is we just need to give our funnel a name. Okay, and you can assign a tag if you want just to group your funnels. I'm not going to bother for this, so just click build funnel. Okay, so now I'm inside my funnel dashboard, and we can see here it's a two-step funnel. And we can see their funnel steps. So first we have the opt-in page. It's also called a squeeze page, and this is where you're going to be capturing somebody's email address. Now this is really important because you want to be capturing people's information so that you can retarget to them later on. Okay, and that really is where the majority of people make their money in affiliate marketing or in any type of marketing. If you're selling your own product or you have your own course, your own training, in the back end using your email sequences, which we'll talk a bit more about later, that is where you will be getting the majority of your sales. So the first thing we need to do here is select a template for our opt-in page. As you can see here, ClickFunnels has loads of different pre-made professional looking templates you can use. Really just depends on your own preference and what your goal is, what you're trying to sell. So I'm just going to try and find a pretty simple one. Okay, so you just click that there and it's going to input that into your funnel. Okay, and now we're ready to go. Okay, so it's in there, and the next step that we need to do is edit page. Okay, so now we're going to go into the actual editor and we can now start to personalize and change things around on our landing page. We're inside the ClickFunnels builder, the ClickFunnels editor, okay, and everything on this page is completely customizable. Okay, so we have different things. We have sections, which is the green area. If you hover over, we have rows, okay, which is in blue, and then we have inside that we have elements. Okay, so an element could be text, images, video, input boxes for information, anything like that. So if you want to edit any of this stuff, you can just, if you hover over and then click here. We can now type whatever we like. We can take away things as well. So if you just hover over something and when you want to delete it, okay, you just go okay, and now it's gone. So if you want to add a new element, you can hover over until there's a plus sign, and then you can put in different things: headline, subheadline, paragraph. Okay, you can put in an image, a pop-up image, a video, okay, a button if that's what you want. You can put in down here if it's a form you're looking for. Okay, we can have an input box that we want. So that would be for your email. Okay, so I'm actually going to put one in there now. Okay, so now we can see we have the email address box. You can also edit the text here. Okay, so we want their name first. We'll clone. That's the best way of doing it. Okay, and now we can put in the email here, and also make sure that the input type is also, it matches what you've written there. Okay, and we're going to require that because we want to get their email before they can get through to the next step of the funnel. Some of you might be thinking, why bother with the name? You don't have to do this, but I would recommend that you do, because if you can capture somebody's name, then you can use that information in your backend using your email sequences. Okay, you can edit it so that your emails, when they're sent out to everybody, will be sent out, will use the first name if you have gathered that information. Okay, so this is a very simple funnel. If you want to change the color, just go to the section. I'll go back. So you can go to the section, settings, okay, the background color, and then change it to whatever you like. Okay, so if you want a blue or a yellow, and then down here you want basically only one thing on your landing page that somebody is able to do. Okay, you don't want to distract them with loads of text and images and graphics. Okay, you want their attention to be laser focused on completing the action on this page and going to the next step of your funnel. Okay, so if you're giving away a free lead magnet, so that could be something like a free ebook, a template, a checklist, okay, anything like this, then this is where you would be kind of pitching it to them. So say I was giving away an ebook about affiliate marketing, then I could say something like here, you want to appeal to either their pain points or their desires. Okay, something like that. Now, and underneath you can have your little tagline. So we can say here, free book, download below. Something like this. Obviously, you'd probably want to make something a bit better than this. I'm just doing this quickly for the purpose of the video. And then we can have our button down here that will take us through. Okay, so same as everything else. If you want to edit anything in here, so we can edit the text. Okay, we can change the color, same as before, the text color. I like to go for a green color with my buttons, and we'll go white with there. Okay, and now the next important step, once you've actually made your page, this is looking pretty good now. Okay, down here you want to get rid of this or not. If you have a company name, you can put it in there. I'm just going to delete that for now. So now we've just got this. So there's only one thing they can do, which is click here. Now, if you also wanted to do a pop-up instead of having the button here, okay, we could get rid of these, and instead we could have a pop-up. Okay, so it's actually set here, so it opens the pop-up. If you want to change that, all right, and set the action. Okay, so here you go to set action, and it's either open the pop-up, go to a particular website, external URL website, go to the next step in the funnel. Okay, so you can do that there. Another way of doing it is going to settings in general, and then on submit go to. Okay, so you can either put in the URL of the sales page or affiliate link. If you're just direct linking, I'd recommend you use what's called a thank you page, which we have in this funnel. Or it's sometimes called a bridge page because it's literally the bridge between your opt-in page, between that and the sales page. So you could put in your thank you page URL here, which you can get back on the dashboard that we saw a little bit earlier. Now, in terms of a pop-up, if you go to pop-up here, it'll bring down a little drop-down menu and just go show pop-up. Okay, so from here we can edit the pop-up as well. Okay, so it's the exact same process as before. We have our section, we have our elements. Okay, so same thing as before. Okay, we can edit this. All right, so now if you want to edit the actual background, okay, you need to go to pop-up and then edit settings here, and that's how you get into it. So from here we can change the color, go blue, the same as before. Settings, change the color to green, change the text to white. Okay, so now it's looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy with the way this is. We got our name and our email address. Okay, now the point of doing a pop-up is that, if in my experience, it increases opt-in rates. If people are already committed by pressing a button first before the pop-up comes in, I find there's a higher chance of them actually opting into your email list. Now, a very important thing if you're designing a lead magnet opt-in page like this is making sure that it's integrated and hooked up to your email autoresponder. Okay, so if we go to settings and go to integrations, we can see it's not connected to anything right now. Okay, so we want to go to integrations and then you select whatever email autoresponder service that you're using. So I use GetResponse. Inside GetResponse, you will have already created a list and a sequence of emails that you want this to connect to. Okay, so if we go to GetResponse, you go add to campaign, and here you select a specific list. Okay, so this is just my test one. I'll go for that. So that's the list that you created inside GetResponse or Mailing Boss or MailChimp. Okay, whatever your email software is. Okay, this is where you would add it in. Okay, and now it's connected. That's all you need to do. So to save everything so far, you just go up here and click save. All right, let's just give our landing page a name. Okay, just gonna say landing page 1 for now. Okay, go back out and click save again. So now everything is saved so far. Let's just preview this and take a look and see how everything's looked. Okay, so now here is what it'll look like if someone arrives on our landing page. So we can see our headline there, our little sub-headline, okay, and our button. So if we click here, give me access, then our pop-up comes down. Okay, we'll put in our name, put a fake email in, and then we subscribe. Now, we actually haven't made our thank you page yet, so that's the next step that we're going to do. So now I'm back in my funnel area, my funnel dashboard. Okay, so we've done the opt-in page, that's ready to go. And then we have our link here at the top, which will be the link that you're going to share to your audience so that they can enter your funnel. The next step, okay, in this two-step lead magnet funnel is building a thank you page. Okay, so again, this is the same process as building your opt-in landing page. You just go in, you can pick any one of the templates. My advice is the simpler the better, less distractions. Okay, so let's go here and just select this one, and exactly the same process again. We're going to go edit page. So now we're inside the thank you page. Now, the purpose of a thank you page is to act as a bridge between your opt-in page and your actual sales page. Now, you might be asking, why do you need a thank you page? Why can't I just send them straight to the affiliate offer? Well, thank you pages are really useful because the person or your audience, people coming through your funnel, aren't going to always be ready to make a purchase straight away. So a thank you page is a great way of warming them up, getting them to trust you, obviously thanking them. You could also include a link to download, okay, so that will take them through to the sales page then. Okay, so it's just this one little step can make a huge difference in terms of the amount of sales you make and the impression you make on your audience. So there's a couple of things we need to do here before this thank you page is ready to go. So first things first, as you can see, it's very simple. Like I said, less distractions, the better it tends to be. Sometimes the uglier pages convert better. We're just going to change this here. Now, so the purpose of saying you're going to email them in 15 minutes is that they're not going to straight away go over to their email to check is their free book arrived. They're going to, okay, I have 15 minutes to wait now. So there's a greater chance of them clicking on your button to go over to the actual affiliate offer. There's going to be a higher chance of them clicking and going through. So this works great if the offer that you're making has a kind of a webinar or some sort of free video on their sales page. Okay, so you can dress that up as, here, check out some free training that I have for you. Okay, Now, I'm not going to spend too much time dressing this up. This is basically all you need, and I've already shown you the ins and outs of how to edit things from the opt-in page portion of the video. It's the exact same here. But the one important thing you need to do here is set an action. So like, what are people going to do when they click on this button? You want to go here, hover over it, click settings, okay, set action, and here you want to go to a website URL. Okay, so this is going to be your affiliate link, and you paste that in there. So whatever your website URL is, just put it in there. You can either set it to open in the same window or open a new tab, whatever you prefer. And then you're going to go back out and click save. So the last step of completing this funnel and having our landing page ready to go is to take the URL of your thank you page, go back to the opt-in page step of your funnel, go into edit page once more, and then you're going to go to general and paste in your thank you page URL. Make sure you don't click save as a template. You want to click back out and then click save up here in the top right. Okay, and now we're good to go. So we can preview this. Okay, so we click give me access. Our pop-up comes down. We put in our name and our email address. Click the button, and it takes us through to our thank you page, from where we can click and go through to the sales page or the offer. So that's everything, and I hope you enjoyed today's quick tutorial on how to build a landing page using ClickFunnels. If you liked the video, please leave a like, and if you have any other ideas for future videos you'd like me to do, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button.